So GYMPROLUXE reached out to me and sent me this box of one of their popular products, so let's see together what's inside. I like that it has this outer box to protect the main box inside. Nice color combination here. And please follow them on their socials right there. And these are what's inside. You have one detachable steel bar, one padded exercise belt, 6 resistance belt tubes, and of course one carry bag. I like the color of the box, green, black, and gray. So you have the GYMPROLUXE band and bar set 2.0. It's encouraging you to start your transformation, but we'll find out. So you have a QR code, scan that for more information. You have this printout as well saying thank you if you're gonna get one, and we'll give you 10% off discount, which I will share to you later in the video. So these are the items here. You have half of the bar, of course, 2 halves to connect them together. You have the main equipment here, the banded one. That's it. I like how it works. Connect them together, just a quick try. And there you go, really nice print here. I would imagine it will later come off, but that's fine, doesn't affect the function of the equipment. And this rather sturdy and I would say very simple but stylish carrying bag. Let's put things inside because I'm gonna be starting to create the video later on. There you go. And now I just want to show you how I use this piece of equipment. Again, you have this whole band. You have 3 different colors here, 3 different pieces here. You can undo them. If I show it to you closely, you can actually pull and undo them. So you can see. Push and then pull away. Pull out. Okay? Push in, pull away, and pull out. Alright? Now of course you do the same here if you want to use less of these bands. So let's just put it back. So here's what you got here, of course. One handle on one end, and you get 3 bands here, different colors. I'm not sure if the tension are different. Well, actually it will tell you here somewhere. You got 10 kilo tension or 10 kilos, you can see. 20 kilos for the black, 15 kilos for the green. Of course the same on the other end, right? So it's up to you to adjust it according to your requirement or personal preference. But I just want to show you the quality of the build of this equipment. It's really good. This one is like rubber coated with sort of fine finish outside. These bands, no doubt, these straps, they're really good build. And then you can really feel how strong this is just by doing that. This is not the ideal way of doing this, but I just want to show you the tension it has and the force I'm applying, right? And the middle bit, this is where you're gonna probably step on or kneel on, okay, as you do your exercises. These are of course handled or held in place by these 2 additional straps here. Really good build. This one is cloth with foamy feeling inside. I think it won't take very long depending on how often you use this for this outer layer, outer cloth to come off. But there's a very nice stitching around it, so I wouldn't really worry about it. And I would expect that to happen, which I think would not affect the use of this equipment. So overall, it doesn't feel cheap at all. It feels so premium, as you can see. All right. For the exercises and workouts, you can go to their website, GYMPROLUXE, Google it. You will see lots of tutorials, lots of instructions on how you can make use of this equipment properly. You don't want to injure yourself, so you might as well follow professionals and the people from this company who know what they're doing. Of course, you've seen this, you know what this is, right? You cannot detach this hook, both ends. You have this couple of pieces, of course, to protect the end bit, and you can connect them nicely to each other properly. Very big screw here, or bolt if you like, however you want to call it. You can see the measurement. I will just put the measurement up here of how long this one is, but I would say it's about a meter long. Now this is just one way of doing this, okay? Let's just play with it. And if you do it like this, it will give you enough tension. I'm only 5'7" tall, so therefore the distance between my foot and my hands are not very long, not very big distance. Therefore, I don't have to pull too much to bring this up to my shoulders. But if you are taller than me, then the tension will be greater. Therefore, you can just remove one of the bands here. Imagine, you can take this with you wherever you want to go without really carrying lots of stuff. Because as you have seen earlier, this is the carrying bag it comes with in the box. So really handy, really helpful, really convenient to carry around. And again, if you pack them together, it's really just gonna be, it's not gonna be taking so much space in your luggage, because you can dismantle it just like that, pack it away, and off you go. That's your gym with you wherever you want to go. Instead of carrying this, instead of carrying all this stuff with you, which I think is unnecessary, apart from the fact that it can be very weird, you know, seeing you traveling around bringing this kind of stuff with you. Isn't that funny? And of course, name someone who would carry this with them while traveling. Crazy, isn't it? Well, now let's go to the website. I'll show you what's in there. So if you just Google their GYMPROLUXE, go to their website. The first few seconds on the website, you'll be greeted by a promo like this one. And if you're in a position to take advantage of this, I would suggest go for it. Take advantage of the available discount. But just to show you quickly what's in here, you'll be greeted, of course, by two of the most popular bundles that they have. And this is what I've just shown you. You have the GYMPROLUXE band and bar set 2.0 with the app. And that's for only £115 at the moment, or maybe $135 or $140. So that's what you will get. That app that they offer is really useful. I've watched some of the videos just to properly learn how to use this equipment, and they are so amazing. Simple and easy to follow, very intuitive app as well. And this is one of the other popular bundles they have, the GYMPROLUXE all-in-one portable gym app, Gym Plus app, which is their holiday bundle here, the Christmas bundle, and that's only for under 200 quid with all the fitness requirement you need to get fitter and healthier in 2025. Now, if you just scroll down, you will have all the other bundles they have, but I suggest if you're a beginner, you can always get the most out of the most simple and most affordable package that they have, this GYMPROLUXE band and bar set 2.0 plus the guide application. If you want, you can explore all the other options here. You also have, of course, some additional bands here, the 5 kilogram add-on if you want that. What else do we have? Different additional equipment here, like this GYMPROLUXE hip thrust belt, this adjustable Nordic strap, the multi-leg strap, heavy jump rope, all different belts or tubes. And then if you want to give someone a present this time of the year, you can also avail of the gift voucher right there. And these are just some of these testimonials of some of the people who used them and had a great result after a certain amount of time of using them consistently and constantly, of course. And then you will also see some of the equipment or some of the exercises you can do using this package or this band through their very website. For example, like this one, you have the bench press, hip thrust, bicep curls, all the other stuff that you can do in the comfort of your own house, just like this video right here. And then the good thing is you can pay it through Klarna or ClearPay if you want a staggered payment. At the end of the day, you won't notice it after 3 to 4 months, and then it's all yours. And this equipment, I would say, can last you for years. I don't see myself breaking any part of this in the next 10 years or 5. It's quite sturdy in my own judgment, and I think it's gonna really help me and do me well for the next few years. So that's it for the website. Go to the first link in the description of this video to head straight to this website after watching this video. Now let me just say that if you want to be fitter, you want to be healthier, and you want to be maybe become a little bit stronger in 2025, now is the time to get your own set of this GYMPROLUXE kit. Head on to the first link in the description of this video to go to their website directly, and you can get a discount of 10% by using the code MUSCLE10 upon checkout. Let me know your thoughts about this thing in the comment section below, and if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you want more, subscribe now to our channel Delicious Life. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.